you on May 31st. Stop playing.
I'm trying to get my cases dismissed. I ain't trying to have a probation officer.
No stove guy, you know what the other dude live talking shit. Let them know, love. Let them know they gay as a bitch. That red nigga fucking boys and the nigga on the top ain't from Sherwood.
Nigga say, man, you look dry again. Two niggas.
Hey, stop playing, man.
Damn, why they on my dick like that? I lick dry. What the fuck?
Nigga say, Rudy gonna get kidnapped on my mama. Nigga say, free bees, you can't even go to Jasmine for no crawfish. Nigga say, why they in that cheap ass hotel?
Damn, we begging, man. You don't know who we got going on. We probably be selling your mama.
Nigga say, look, nigga say bug wreck because he ain't paying attention to that road. Yeah.
We finna sell your mama out this bitch. It's up.
Nigga say, we ain't hating, we just speaking facts.
They hate. Fuck that.
Nigga say Sherwood ain't a real nigga. He a false claiming ass nigga. Nigga say, look, y'all be hating like a motherfucker on here. Niggas don't know boy real street niggas. I see.
Rudy, get a lineup, bro.
I just be joking. I just be joking.
Nigga said get a lineup. Fuck you. Nigga on top. Nigga on your top, Rude dog. Nemo, you still nigga? What the fuck wrong with a nigga, man? Let a nigga know I'll blow him down with the 4/5, man.
Nigga say I'm gonna turn your mama house into a trap. Like, look at the shit you saying. You said you gonna turn somebody's mama house into a trap. Like, who the fuck gonna